guys, so it's me, Sonsearai Dominique. Welcome to my channel. And I feel like my channel is going in a new direction. Not completely off the path of hair care and all things hair, but just things that grow, if you will. I've developed an interest. It's an interest that I've always had, but it has developed more. And it seems like it could be turning into a bit of a passion. So I just wanted to take you guys on this journey with me. So stay tuned. Okay, so something new that I have taken a strong interest in. Sorry. As you can see, I'm clearly in the grass. But something new that I have taken a strong interest in is doing my yard work, cutting the grass, edging, weed eating, treating the weeds, the maintenance of shrubs that produce flowers, adding new flowers to my yard to bring in some color. So that's what we're doing today. First, I just wanted to show you like how my yard looks and how much of it is, so that you can see like how things transform, what it started as and what it's going to be. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is my yard. This is kind of like the side back yard. This is like the side. This is like the front. This is along the side of the house. And this is like the side and back. Make sure I keep getting these like really big ant beds. This is huge. Like this is my hand up against it. So you see how big it is. So like treating that, as you can see, like I have spots like right there where a little grass isn't growing, back up there by the fence line. That doesn't really bother me. When I cut the grass, like it leaves the grass that was cut and it turns, of course, because it's dead, it turns brown. So I need to put a bag on my lawnmower so it can collect that grass. But then this is like going into the back. This tree line, actually my property extends past that. Just haven't had it cleared. There's more of the back. Apparently I forgot to shut my door from yesterday, which is crazy. So this is more of the back. All of this down there just hasn't really grown much. Then there's more around the side of the house. I just don't go over there because there's too many weeds. But as you can see, like I have quite the yard. All this doesn't really grow much, but one day all this will get taken care of. So when I do cut all of this. I cut these weeds down as much as I can with the weed eater. And like once a year, I'll have the lawn guy that I do have a contact information for to come and do like a big cleanup of all the weeds, because I can't stand it. So I just wanted you all to see like how things are, so you can see what I will eventually do with some parts of this space. More so right in this area, and right in this area, what I will do. But this is my yard. Okay, so now that you guys have seen the yard, You can see like where I'm going to try to go with things. It's a lot. It's a lot of yard, but I love it. I have plans, but they may not be God's plans, but we'll see. We'll see if my plans and God plans in terms of long term aligns. But let me also show you guys the flower bed area and what I've done recently in terms of pruning. And I'll try to insert before and after pictures if I can find any. But I'll show you guys what I've done recently in terms of pruning and what I've done with my front porch area. So let's go. One thing I've done recently is added these little solar lights at the start of my walkway. And as you come to my walkway, this is how my entry area looks. So these are my new additions to my front porch area. And I'll insert the name of these once I remember the name of these, but I don't remember these. Then I did a layering doormat area. And then this is like my door kind of wreath signage. So this is my flower bed, and I have 2 azalea bushes. This is an azalea bush. This is an azalea bush. This is a hydrangea shrub. And then my bird feeder, bird bath, sorry. It's like a glass bird bath. So I recently pruned these bushes. They were all overgrown. I pulled out a lot of weeds. I'll be adding new mulch. I'll do a little more cleanup down in the bed area, but I'll be adding new mulch, getting rid of more of these weeds. And then I have one more over here. I have a I forget the name of this tree, but I'll insert that. So I have 2 more azalea bushes here, and then another hydrangea. Focus, there we are. And I did the same thing over here, pulled out some weeds, but there's still some here, clovers, and there's some grass growing in. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to like till up this flower bed area to treat and get rid of all these weeds. I get mushrooms. You can see a big mushroom right there. And I don't know if you can see that next to it right here. That's a snake, a dead snake. And that big mushroom. But yeah, so this is my flower bed area. So yeah, that is what I wanted to show you guys. So that's kind of like how it started, and then you'll get to see how it's going. This is going to be solely like trial and error. I'm learning as I go. I'm getting information off of Google. I have sisters that are amazing with their flowers and plants, and what to do, what not to do, when to do it, how to do it, what works for them, what doesn't work. Environment, region, climate makes a huge difference. So that's something you also have to take into huge consideration. The soil, the dirt, all those things play a huge part in the results that you get. So you really have to like just do your research and just get to know your grounds, you know, the earth that is where you dwell, you know. So I hope you guys will enjoy this journey with me. I'm gonna really enjoy it. This is therapeutic for me, and just learning is exciting and learning something that I have an interest in. So yeah, just get on this ride with me. And if it's something that you know, things that you can help me with, I'm open. Sorry. These bugs, that's the only thing. Like, I've been out here maybe 10 minutes and I've already been probably chewed on by a couple of mosquitoes, and it's like only 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But yeah, so until next time, peace and love, you guys.